Hey guys, new day, new icon. Let's draw a crown icon in Figma. Let's go. So first, you can just go to Google and search for a real object, how it really looks like in real life. So we are seeing some crown images here. So as you can see in real life, a crown image is different, right? Like sometimes it's really busy. Like here, it's really busy. Sometimes it's really little simple, but overall like they have a lot of objects, right? But what we will do actually simple icon. Let's see what Google said about this. So Google said don't make your icon complicated, keep it simple. And IBM said don't make icons feel visually heavier than the rest of the icon, right? That means when you're actually drawing icons for your website or maybe for any project, so your project has a lot of icons, right? You need a lot of icons. So that means if you need a lot of icons, all of your icons should be consistent, right? So that means if one icon is simple in your project, all the other icons should be also simple, right? So that means, of course, when you are designing, your icons are simple. So that means you need to make sure your all icons are simple. So as you can see here, the real object are really not simple. It has a lot of corners or the object here. So we will try to make sure our icon also looks simple. Okay, doesn't look complicated like this or this one, because when you're drawing icon, the icon actually represent an image, right? So just make sure your icon, it looks similar to the real object, right? That's enough. That's enough if you just make sure it looks like similar or it represents the original object. So now let's go to Figma. Now let's select the rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. Make it stroke, give it center, and stroke point and stroke value 1.5 pixels. Now just double click to add a path like this, and another like this, another like this. Now select the middle one, just bring it up by pressing the upper key from keyboard. Now let's select these two paths and bring them down. You just try to make it look like a crown, right? Now let's select the right corner and move it little bit left. Now select the left corner, move it little bit right, and move this one a little bit left to make it visually balanced. Now add one path here and another path here. Now let's select the corners like this and click here to make them aligned. Now let's adjust this little bit. Select all the paths here and make them 2 pixels rounded. Select these two paths and 1 pixel rounded. Now let's add one path here. Click on this so that you can adjust the angle. Now click on move tool. You can adjust it more. Now let's select the corners and make it 2 pixels rounded. Now select rectangle tool again. Okay. And rotate to 45 pixel. Give the corner radius 1 pixel. Make it black color. Now just check if it is centered or not. Yeah, you can adjust it as you want to make it visually balanced. And now select the entire icon. Just check the alignment. Yep. And we are done for today. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. And don't forget to check out hugeicons.com. Goodbye.